segment is sponsored by Salt Lake Home Show. The beginning months of the new year are the hardest to decorate. Christmas is over, but spring is like nowhere in sight. So what can we do for our home's decor? Well, the Junkhunks have brought us a DIY solution to solve all of our design problems. Great to see you both, Mike and Brandon.
Thanks, Carrie. Thanks for having us.
We are so excited to have you here. It's been a minute. What have you guys been up to?
Man, it's been crazy. Time's flown with the pandemic.
It really has.
Honestly, we've been doing home projects, DIY, and I've been spending wasting a lot of time on Pinterest, to be truthful.
You said spending, but then wasting. This isn't really wasting. You're spending a lot of time. What about you?
Yeah, same. I've dived into food and just kind of enjoying family and friends. And
yeah. You've been eating a lot. You don't look like it. You look amazing.
Yeah, so,
That's kind of what we do when we're home, DIY and eating a lot of food. Yeah. Okay, but you guys have a great idea for us. It's DIY. Can we really do this at home?
It's so easy, and it doesn't take a lot of time. And honestly, for those people who are intimidated by DIYs and fearful that they don't have the skill, this is the project to start with.
This is it. Okay, where do we start?
We're actually going to make these ones out of a rolling pin.
Okay.
So these might be a little hard to source after Christmas. Everybody gave them away, but all you're going to do is go ahead and pull the actual roller out.
Yeah. Okay.
And the nice thing about this is the hole is already drilled for you.
Great.
So then you're just going to take this and cut it on the table saw or whatever saw you have. Usually we can get about 3 out of 1 candlestick.
Okay.
Or out of 1 rolling pin. And then we went ahead and we attached a piece of reclaimed lumber onto the bottom just to kind of give it that look and pop a candle in.
That is so cute.
Yeah, super simple.
And they're really cheap too. I mean, we went to the dollar store, picked up the candles for like a few bucks.
At the dollar store, that's a great idea.
Everybody has some,
let's see these.
Or they should have some lumber laying around.
Yeah, and there's 4 in here for a buck. That's nothing.
Carrie, the nice thing, the style kind of looks a little farmhouse. But you can add metal or different colors. We chose the copper, and that fits into a more modern aesthetic.
The copper's kind of trending too. People love that. Okay, how do we add that in?
So what we do, honestly, when we come up with a project, we literally go to the hardware store and just mosey up and down the aisles. And we saw the copper stuff and thought, oh, this is perfect. There's holes in it that'll hold the candlesticks. These are actually pieces that they use to hold the copper plumbing to the wall.
Okay.
And to solder them together.
Amazing.
And we kind of had an example here. This was a wall sconce that we used those pieces. Legitimate. We screwed this to the wood.
Mike, that is so cool.
Stuck the candle in and slid one of those over the top.
Oh my gosh. And I imagine, are these expensive at all? Are these pretty pricey, cheap?
They're actually not too bad. I think like this unit here was a couple bucks, maybe like $2.50, $3.
So
yeah,
cute.
really budget friendly. The other thing you can do if you don't want to go out and buy these supplies, we have an example here where this is actually a table leg that we just chopped in half.
What?
Already had the hole. Or like we found same thing. This is from a couch. And
that was just like the couch leg on the bottom. Yeah. Look at all the options that you can do, and you're going to save money. And you know what? Not a lot of people are going to have this, so you're going to feel cool and funky. That's like at your own house.
Yeah, that's a good conversation piece too.
It's so cool. Okay, and you guys are going to be at the Salt Lake Home Show this weekend. What are you guys going to be up to?
Yeah. So we're going to be up on the design stage showing you how to do projects like this and also showing you some of what we've been up to. We'll be there tonight at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
And then tomorrow at 11 in the morning and 5 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, amazing. And you can find tickets by going to the website on your screen. Mike and Brandon, Junkhunks, we love having you here. Thanks for showing us this amazing DIY trick. See you next time.
That's good.